Today I want to share with you 3 nice things I found on my most recent thrifting adventure. Hi sweet friends, I'm Mary and welcome to Mary's Nest. This channel is all about living the simple life by cooking from scratch, making home remedies, and creating a cozy home with thrift store finds. So if you're like me and you like the simple life, subscribe to my channel and be sure to click on the little notification bell that'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Well, the first thing that I want to show you is this tablecloth that I bought. And it's such a beautiful, thick, heavyweight cloth. And I'm actually going to cut this up and I'm going to use it as fabric to make pillows because it's almost like a sailcloth. It's really got a nice heavyweight thickness to it. And it was $3.99, but I went to the thrift store on the day they were giving 30% off to, I don't know if it's like people over 55 or whatever the case may be. And as I've shared with you, I'm in my early 60s, so I get all the discounts. But so $3.99 and then 30% off, I couldn't pass it up because I couldn't buy fabric like this for that reasonable price. So I'm looking forward to making pillows with it. And I'll take you along with me when I do that, and I'll show you how I make the pillows. The second thing that I found, which I just thought was absolutely adorable, was this little jar that, you know, like for condiments. It's got the little opening right here for, I think you can see it, for where the spoon will go in, and I'll put like a little spoon in there. And, you know, you could put a little salt in here, a little pepper, whatever you want. I just thought it was so cute. Whenever I find little things like this, I'm always very quick to want to pick them up. This was $1.99, and then I got the 30% off. And this is, I don't have my glasses, but this is Noritake, and it's made in Japan, so it's quite lovely. They always have very nice china, and it's in wonderful condition. The little gold trim doesn't look the least bit worn, so I was very happy. I really felt that this was a wonderful find. Then the next thing that I got, I've been just looking for like kind of a little long basket like this, and this was only 99 cents and then 30% off. How can you go wrong? And the reason I wanted something long like this was to put my seed packets in, because as I get ready now, it's January here in Central Texas, but we have a very long growing season, 9 to 10 months, I believe. And in mid-January is when I really start organizing all of my seeds and getting ready to put them in little containers where I start to grow them to get ready to transplant, because we'll transplant out into the garden by March 1st. Because even sometimes you can do it like mid-February to the end of February. Technically, you know, from the extension service or the powers that be, whatever the case may be, our last frost is usually the last day of February, but it can be as early as mid-February. So sometimes you just got to play it by ear, and if you put your plants in too early, you might have to cover them up if a frost does come. But March 1st, we're all good to go. So I thought this would be wonderful. I can put all my seed packets in here and get it all organized, and when I do that, I'll bring you along and I'll show you how I'll divide everything up. Well, that's my thrift store haul for today, but if you'd like to do more thrifting with me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and then click on this video over here and we'll go thrifting together in Wimberley, heart of the Texas Hill Country. Love and God bless.